Living in a country that has earthquakes, I am always very worried for my children and family about possible damage from a natural disaster. I want to save and protect all my sentimental items like heirlooms or collectibles. I don't want them flying through the air during the earthquake hitting someone. After the earthquake in Japan, I was very afraid. But the best thing, I found a great product, museum wax. Museum wax protect all my items from a natural disaster. I want to explain how can you use museum wax. All you need to do is use a small balls of museum wax and stick them to an object, like a picture that you hang up on the wall. It is very easy to remove as well. Now my children's, my family, my house, and my items are more safe. Thanks Scott Haskins for helping me. For this reason, I want to recommend museum wax. Please check the website safestuffblog.com. I am sure you will find a solution too. Good luck!